Dry, chapped, cracked feet with stains on them that are heavily tanned can look so bad. But I'm here with a 7-day challenge. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can, in 7 days, take your feet from this to this like that. Now, the summers are here. We all love to wear our open sandals, the lovely strappy heels. But one thing that is so critical is that your feet need to be always well groomed. They need to be clean. They need to be stain free. Otherwise, none of that beautiful footwear actually looks nice. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing that I'm going to tell you all to invest in is a really simple device. It's an electronic foot scrubber. It comes in so many different brands. I got mine from Amazon. There is Dr. Scholl has one. There are multiple brands. Now, the fantastic thing about this product is that it is so easy to use, and you can use it anytime because it can be used on dry feet. So you don't need to go into the whole process of soaking and all of those things. That doesn't need to be done. You use it on your dry feet. It comes with multiple attachments, which means you can give yourself a soft scrub, a hard scrub, just a polish, just depending on the state your feet are in. You can actually choose, and this instantly sort of clears out your heel area. So if you have dry heels, cracked heels, scales, any of that mess, it will just clear it out. For me, because my feet are always generally well kept, I kind of use it once every 10 days, once a week. You can use it as frequently as you need it, and this is a big game changer when it comes to beautifying your feet. Number 2, and this is supremely important and people tend to forget about it, which is scrubbing your feet. So I know a lot of people do body scrubs, but they don't actually spend a lot of time scrubbing their feet. Now, on a regular day-to-day basis, if you want to scrub your feet, you can look at something absolutely gentle, like the Dove rice milk scrub, the one I spoke about in a previous video. But for the feet specifically, I do find it's a little too gentle. So the method I personally love is the exfoliating mitt. The exfoliating mitt, the Moroccan style, it is life-changing, and as you can see in this video, it gets off so much dead skin. It instantly brightens your feet, and if you have any stains that are caused due to any of the straps in your shoes or basic level of tanning, it would kind of take care of all of that. After that, what I do love doing is actually applying a thick layer of glycerin oil. You can apply plain simple glycerin, but if you're in the UAE, we get this 11 AD product called the Glycerin Oil by BBcom, which for me is one of the best products when it comes to hydrating and nourishing my hands, my feet. I slather it all over my body as well sometimes. So glycerin is super effective in sort of hydrating your feet. So that was tip number 2. So you gotta scrub the top and the bottom. And number 3, if your feet are in a really bad shape, what I do recommend is that once in a month at least, use an exfoliating foot mask. Now, for those of you who don't know this, exfoliating foot masks are basically masks that you put onto your feet, let it sit for 15 minutes, sort of let go of the mask, rub the entire product onto your feet so it soaks in completely, and then just chill. And over the next couple of days, you would see parts of your skin peeling and this fresh baby skin being revealed on your feet, and this is extremely effective. Most of the foot masks actually have AHAs and BHAs as their key ingredients, so they kind of help resurface the skin on the feet. They actually help the whole peeling process, and what you get after that is gorgeous. I love doing a peeling at least once every 2 months because, like I said, my feet are very healthy, but if I like doing so, I do it like once in 2 months. And you can get these masks easily on Amazon. There are just so many options available, so just get the one that kind of works for you, that is accessible on your price point. These are quite affordable. Number 4, and this is super important, while sunscreen cannot prevent all of the tanning that occurs, it can prevent some of it. So always wear sunscreen on your feet, specifically if you are wearing open sandals, open shoes, or even partly open shoes for the area that is exposed. It's very important that it's covered in sunscreen, else you're going to actually get really patchy feet. And number 4, or was it number 5? I think it's number 5. In addition to the peeling solution mask, the scrubs, the exfoliation, once in a week, just use the AHA BHA peeling solution as a foot mask, and you're gonna thank me over and over again, because when you put it on your feet literally look brand new in 10 minutes. I sometimes just do it if I'm going to wear something really strappy on my feet and I just want my feet to look really pretty. That's what I do. So follow these 5 tips, do them for a week, and this is my 7-day challenge. Let me know if your feet have transformed or not, because I bet they would. In addition to that, just remember, as general hygiene, always make sure that at least once in a month you get a good pedicure. Make sure your pedicurist is taking care of the cuticles and all of the other rough edges on your feet. For me, I love to paint my nails, but I don't think that is necessary. But as long as your nails are well cut, filed, and shaped, that should be more than enough. This was a quick video. Let me know what you thought of it. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video. It tells YouTube that you're enjoying my videos. Stay tuned for the next one. I will see you very soon. Bye.